You know, making queso at home is like so easy and so worth it. Hey friend, welcome back to the party. Now there are absolutely going to be times when you're having a small get together, maybe it's just you and a couple friends hanging out, maybe it's just you and your partner, and you're like, we need queso in our lives right now. But you do not want to make a ton of it. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a killer small batch spicy queso dip that I think you're going to love. Let's do it. First, it's super important that you have all of your ingredients measured out and chopped, all ready to go, because this recipe moves real fast. We're going to start with some butter. We're just going to melt it in our little skillet. Then we're going to go ahead and cook our shallot, our jalapeno, and our garlic. And if you want it super spicy, leave those seeds in that jalapeno, which I did. We're also going to season this with our chili powder. If you have chipotle chili powder, use it. It's real good. If not, regular's fine. And then we're going to add in a little salt and some pepper. Now we're going to add in a teaspoon or so of flour, just a little AP. We're going to add in half of our milk, or so, and all of the cream cheese. And we're just going to whisk this constantly until it's nice and thickened and the cream cheese is like fully cooked, fully melted. You don't want any lumps in there. That's not cute, and this is gonna make it so that there aren't any lumps. Just whisk, like a minute, maybe 2. All right, and now we're gonna add in the rest of our milk, and we're just gonna whisk this gently. We don't want any splish splashing going on. But we're gonna whisk this together until it just like super uniform and starts to steam. All right, this looks good. It's come together. It's nice and steamy. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off the heat completely, okay? It's a little hot. Let's get it out of here. Oops, lots of stuff's happening down here. All right, it's off the heat. We're gonna add in all of our pepper jack cheese. We're just gonna whisk more. Gotta whisk constantly until it's fully melted. Get all of it in there. Now if it's a little thick for you, which this is a little thick for me, we're gonna add in just like a splash more of milk. Thin it up a little bit. There we go. That looks better. All right, and then we're gonna brighten this up with a little cilantro and a little tomato. Let's get it all in there. And cilantro haters, get out of here. This is a cilantro loving person. But you know what, we can still be friends. Okay. All right, this looks fantastic. So, you want to like put this in a cute little bowl or whatever, make it adorable. But this is a party for one. So this situation with these chips looks great for me. All right, friend, if you are gonna make this delicious queso dip, you need a delicious beverage to go with it. Make sure to check out my drink videos right here, and let's dig in. Oh yeah.